Hey everybody, this is Josh Daly with Brinkley RV. Right now we're going to talk about a small feature that's got a big impact for you on our Model G 2026 model year, and that is our bottom bag door indicator light. You can see that we have a new light right here that's red, that's not lit up right now. What this is going to do, this is going to alert you if your bottom baggage doors are flipped down. We've had some people in the past, and this is some user error things, where if these baggage doors are flipped down and you go to level your unit, you're going to crush your baggage doors. So right now it's turned off. However, if you lower the bottom bag door, it pops on. This lets you know that one or the other of your baggage doors are down. What this will also do is it locks out you from being able to level your coach from your app or from the Firefly screen. You can still level it from here on your Lippert control panel, but in order to level your coach through the app or through the control panel, you flip that up, the light will go off, and then you can level your coach as usual.